So on today's exciting episode, I want to put a small tool tray or tool well just here in between my bench and my router table, which also becomes a bench when it's got the plywood on top. Tool well, I don't want it too deep else it will just get full of crap. Should be a pretty easy project to do in theory. Let's go and make something. Oh, it's wide enough. It's long enough to get the two sides pieces out of, so we'll use that for one. What else we got in here? Use probably the base. I've decided I don't want it that deep. I actually want it even shallower, so I'm going to go down to 70mm, 60. So this ugly bit, which is off a pellet, I want that on the outside, and then that's the bit that I'll end up screwing onto the actual bench that way, so you won't see it. So what I need now is a wee support here, like that, and that is to support my router top cover, my router top bench top, so when it's extended it's being supported there. And I know that the thickness of that is the same thickness of this piece of ply here, so I'm just going to mark it. And we'll make the middle. That just rests on that. My next mission is the bench extension. But I've got to get rid of this. I have to get rid of that. Looking down there, without taking my bench apart, I might be able to just put the circular saw down there. This vanity unit was hobbled together. So what I want to do is put a support down here and a support down here. And I'll just screw it in from the back here. That way I've got something to screw my new main wall to. Right, now that's giving me something to screw into. The next thing is to put the cleat up. There's my cleat. It'll be sitting there like that. Into there. Now like that to go across there. So it's probably going to just live here like that when not in use. It's actually giving me more room because that ledge that I cut off came out to about here. So I've actually got more room, actually. And it's so easy to actually put up. It's actually easier than I thought it was going to be. Eventually, going to put my jointer onto it, but that's going to be a little bit different. I have to think on that just due to the fact that when it's not in use, where does it get stored with the French cleat and everything? That one might be a little bit more technical putting together with the braces. Now I don't use the thicknesser, I only use the planer. So I could bring the braces up that way instead of underneath it like all the other ones. Have to think on that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kia kaha. Stay strong. I'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.